Besaphume out lapho nomngani wami ezabangani uyobeke
Uyangikhipha mina.
Uyobeke khiphe mina kusimo beke.
Ukhipha ngoba kwenze njani wena sana?
Oh my God, go to the pictures. Hey.
Benike phi la?
Cute mose up.
Hayibo kanjani manje?
Kanti mina nawe sibona abangani.
No sibona abangani uzilozolala kwami nje.
Futhi musungicasula wena uzoyenza ngilahlekelwe ukukhona ngokungekho futhi okhuluma iqiniso.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, bringing you the heat and I fix, I destroy and neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyatembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur, ma, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Oh, Lamin.
Hello, Lily.
Can't get a dry rage one.
I saw you DJing on Instagram.
Oh, really?
First guitar full.
We'll talk about this. Hi. Hello, how are you? I'm good. I'm Lisa from CMTV, okay? We have a show about just couples. Would you be interested?
No.
You wouldn't? You'd be interested? Yes. Oh, so why aren't you interested?
I'm on a rush.
Really?
Yes.
Where are you guys going?
We're just going to the garage.
Nigga, please. The garage is not gonna close, sir.
But I'm serious. I'm on a hurry.
Are you hiding your woman?
No, I'm not hiding my woman.
I'm just gonna take like 5 minutes of your time and then you guys can go.
I don't mind.
You don't mind?
Yes.
Okay.
We don't mind actually.
You guys don't mind?
Yeah, we don't.
So your woman has spoken?
Okay.
Thank you. My goodness. Garage ayivali, literally. Okay, on my right, ma'am. Okay. Name?
Pilenhle Mkhwanazi.
Pilenhle.
Yeah.
Pilenhle.
Pilenhle.
Oh, Pilenhle, okay. And?
I'm Lita.
Lita, how long have you known Pilenhle?
It's been 5 months.
5 months?
Yes.
Still going strong?
Yeah, I could say that.
You could say that?
Yeah, but I
Okay.
don't trust him.
Ah. Why?
Lorna.
Pilenhle, why doesn't she trust you?
I don't know. Why?
If only Ike is always logged. Aibanjwa.
Even when it rings, he doesn't answer.
Yes.
So which means the girl is probably calling.
Obviously.
Pilenhle, what's happening?
Nothing. There's nothing happening.
Nothing is happening. So would you be willing for your woman to see your phone? Would you be willing to prove that there's nothing there?
Yeah, let's just try.
Okay. And you don't mind trying it on camera? Since we're here.
Let's just try. I'll give her my phone and search it, but it is difficult.
Why?
It's difficult.
What is difficult? It can only be difficult if you're hiding something. Pilenhle, what's happening?
She's gonna see.
Okay, if she sees your phone, I'm gonna allow you to check her phone as well.
Okay.
Is that fine?
Yeah, is that fine?
Okay, whose phone do you guys want to start with?
Mine.
Yours.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, just hold it, eh? Can you please open it for me? Passcode or password or whatever. Okay. Go to her WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah.
Okay, search, type love you.
Love you.
Okay, what do you see?
It's me.
Nice. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
You.
Mm-hmm.
It is only me.
Nice. Okay, delete that. Type babe.
It's only me.
Hey, Lita, nice. We're proud. We stand proud. Delete. Type outside. Let's see who's fetching your woman.
Inside. It is only me again.
Okay. Delete that. Type thank you. Let's see who's doing her favors.
It is me again.
Yeah. Girl, you don't have friends.
I do.
Oh, okay, delete. Type pregnant.
There is nothing.
Okay, nice. Delete that. Type morning after pill. You never know. After pill.
Nothing.
Nothing. Give your woman back her phone, sir. Okay, give him his phone so he can open it. You, that facial expression. You are so nervous. Yeah, finally, okay. Okay, go to WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Search. Type love you.
Okay. It's me.
Okay. Okay, delete that. Type miss you.
Okay. It's still me.
Okay. Delete that. Type babe.
Ndibona uphila apha.
Go into the chat. Bilandla sibona izinto apha.
Yeah.
Ngubani uphila?
Pila is my friend.
Why are you calling a guy babe?
And then even the profile picture was, it's a girl.
It's my friend.
Oh, it's a girl.
It's a girl. Phila.
So is it a girl?
Yes, bayajola labantu. Look at the chat. Bayajola labantu.
Okay. Oh my God, go to the pictures. Hey.
Benike
Go
phila.
cute mose up. Go cute.
Benike phila apha sana.
Besaphume out lapho nomngani wami ezabangani uyobeke
Uyangikhipha mina.
uyobeke khiphe mina kusiyimo beke
Ukhipha ngoba kwenze njani wena sana?
angazi
Ayibo bethuna.
Ish. But kodwa akusiyo lento locabanga ukuthi yiyo.
Yeah, ke mosi yonke lento.
Who cozy most about the, even the pictures is very cozy. Do you want me to call her?
Please.
Okay. Does she have another name? Guys, isn't Pila a guy's name? Wanya, is it me?
No, intombazana lena. Amajita fakela no heart manje.
Okay. Hi, can I please speak to Pila? Hello?
Yo, sanibona. Oh. Hello?
Hi, Pila. Do you know Mpilenhle?
Yes.
Nenza ntoni noMpilenhle?
That's all.
Ay,
So,
wothukelani?
for how long?
For 5 years.
Hayi. Hayi.
Kuthani uzenza isibhanqa ke ngoku?
For 5 years.
Kuthani uzenza isibhanqa?
For 5 years.
Connect ayisho.
Uyakuphika nje ulapho Mpilenhle.
Hayibo kanjani manje?
Kanti mina nawe sibona abangani.
No, asibona abangani uzilozolala kwami nje.
Yabo futhi musungicasula wena uzoyenza ngilahlekelwe okukhona ngokungekho futhi okhuluma iqiniso.
Iqiniso nje.
Alikho iqiniso olikhulumayo yo wena. Khuluma into oyaziyo futhi khuluma into eyiyo futhi. Hayi lento eyikhulumayo.
Azange ngilale nje.
Nini?
Uvuke ekuseni wahamba ngithi.
nini ngilale nini endlini yakho?
Uyazi mani babulale nini endlini
Amizolo namhlanje hambe kuseni namhlanje.
Hayi okay.
Okay, so when no Pila covered up this nicely because Pila has a girl on his profile picture, and the pictures. So you gay kahle kahle. And you've been you buy.
No.
Then what's happening?
Pila is my friend.
Pila says you guys have been dating for 5 years.
But I
Shuthi mina I'm just a side chick.
Yes.
5 months yonke. And we gay.
Why are you laughing?
Hey,
ayikho njalo lento angiyona igay.
Khani mjongeni nani. I
Dimjongile.
see the signs ke ngoku. Kutheni uzunenza isibhanqa?
Yeah, bengingasho ukuthi maybe ukubhayiziseke empilweni lapho nalapho. So wafika yena kuphila uyokwazile ukuthi engisize lapho bengibhayiziseka khona.
Hey.
But ayikho into ebeyenzakala phakathi kwami naye.
Seke then ayikho into eyenzakalayo kanti what are you saying?
Bekukuthi nje engisize.
So he was there for you.
Yeah.
But then kaloku
like that.
you ended up dating.
No.
But Pila says you're dating. What's happening?
No, I thought Pila she loves me. Maybe. He loves me, maybe. But
Hayibo lo muntu uyaconfessa.
So Pila's gay and you know that.
yeah, Pila is gay, I know that. But me, I don't date him with Pila.
Mara Mosi had a sleepover kwaphila mara you know ukuthi he's gay.
Yeah, ngiyazi ukuthi uyigay uPhila, but angithi mina ngimthathisa okomjida wami engihlala naye. Ayikho akukho ku wrong lapho.
Litha uzothini son?
Ngiyamlahla.
Yamlahla. Okay.
So yithini igay?
I agree.
No.
Hawu ayikho njalo leyo.
Okay.
Uzophinda be there for wena nangoku.
Exactly.
Ayikho leyo nto ngiyakutshela. Uphila wrong, uphila lento ayibekile bekungamele ibeke kanje beke ngendlela right.
About the chat uthini ke ngoku?
Ngama chats asikhohle yiyo ama chats.
You are Litha.
Asikhohle yiyo.
Yo shame.
What was going on? Are you done?
I'm done.
Okay, but it's fine. You can go your separate ways. You guys will go figure it out later. I don't know.
But my sister.
There's a woman.
But you see guys,
I'm sorry, but nigga, if you buy, and it's okay.
that show is not good.
We're sorry. You can leave now. We're sorry that we ruined your day. Sorry, son. Lamini,
Oh yini.
do you think if a man is gay, a woman should see the signs?
I think the signs are always there.
Really?
I mean, if you're gay and you're not hiding it, even though you're hiding it, but signs are there. You can easily see Uguti. This guy is gay. This guy is gay. You understand?
I don't think for all situations.
But why do you have to hide though?
I don't know. Maybe they're embarrassed, or because maybe they've always been seen as straight.
Man, I'm afraid to. How can you be embarrassed with what you are? Because that's who you are.
No, Lamini, remember parents. Our parents are
Doesn't matter. It's not their life. It's your life.
easier said than done.
Okay, I understand, but it's your life. Okay, bona manje kwenzakaleni.
Yeah, I know. But it's easier said than done. I understand why they hide. It's just like also if you've been Christian your whole life and you decide, I don't want to be Christian anymore. It's very difficult to tell your family. But actually, guys, this Christian thing is not working because you were raised that way.
But
So now if you've been, I know it's not the same thing, but if you've been straight your whole life and that's what your parents know you as, it's difficult to come and say, oh no guys, actually I'm gay, and you're probably never going to have grandkids. That's difficult.
But now if okay, say you hide it, ne? How long are you gonna hide?
I don't know. I
Because
dated
that's the thing for me. How long are you gonna hide it?
yeah, I
Because
dated,
eventually you have to
yeah.
come out and tell them, Muguti, this is who I am. Not the person you thought I am.
Yeah.
This is me.
I dated a guy right after varsity, ne? very good looking guy. He's actually very social media popular. He's not famous. Extremely good looking. And when he was dating me, there were rumors that he was gay. But I don't think he was gay. I think he possibly could have slept with politicians because he liked the lifestyle. So then if a man, for example, is doing it for the lifestyle, and gay guys get more money than women in these situations where people are selling their bodies and whatever. So in a situation where a man is straight and he's doing it for the lifestyle, do we say he's gay? He's got feelings for women, but he's doing it for the lifestyle.
No, you cannot say that person is gay.
Because even now he hasn't come out. He's living a straight.
They are doing it for a situation. You understand?
Yeah,
they are doing it for that's not who they are.
Yeah.
So
and it was still never confirmed. It was just a rumor. So I never
dated a gay She was not.
It was not.
No, I was
but
not.
are you defending me or him?
Him was not. Was not. Now I understand why he was doing it.
For a lifestyle,
Yes.
Yeah, shame. Okay.
But in fact, if
So in those cases, there are also cases like that. There's just a lot. And really, if you're a guy and a politician is offering you 200K, are you gonna say no? What is wrong with you? You see, and you're straight.
Hey man, hey, kodwa nje ngoba 200K.
Dlamini, the things you guys do for money.
Yeah. Kunzima mfethu, kunzima. Umuntu uvana amehla athi yazini. Ngizoyenza lento ngoba
I need 200K.
Imali.
Dlamini.
Yenze vele ayithola imali, impilo ibe right.
Yeah.
You understand?
Oh, shall we close?
Asivali. Sande.
I'm so sorry, but Dlamini. Yo.
Uyozela uthe uphuze
Magnesium glycinate.
Magnesium glycinate.
No, I realized that I sleep for like 5 hours. And I was like, even when I do have the time to actually sleep, I wake up after 5 hours. I was like, no. Yeah, I was like, no, I'm not happy. So I bought that thing. And now at least I've been sleeping for the past 3 days. I've been sleeping for 6 hours and 30 minutes at least. But I want to take
That's
it to...
still bad.
That's still bad. So I want to take it to 8 hours. So the more I drink it, the more the hours increase. So...
Why didn't you
5 hours?
Why
I don't know.
Naturally?
I don't know. And I'm not stressed. I'm not a stressed person. So and there's my to take only 5 hours.
Ezinye izinto ziyakwenza ukuthi uphelele ubuthongo ngayo. La. Awuna ngasayithola isikhathi eside. Yeah. Ve yabona. Okay, uthi ngiya ozothi uDlamini.
Shut up, Dlamini.
Okay. Thank you.
It's an absolute wrap from us. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _.
Lisa is back on Instagram. Bafethu abantu obona ithombe zakhe that she posted. Hayibo. You come and confess. Welcome Dlamini. Welcome _Dlamini88 on Instagram, Facebook. Welcome Dlamini TikTok. Welcome Dlamini. Danke siyabonga.
Thank you.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame Ntombi yaseGqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ma best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.